Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video where today we'll be going through how to set up and use Pretendo network on the new Azahar Emulator. By the end, you'll be able to access things such as the friends list and be able to play with other emulator users and with those on actual hardware as well. Now the only thing you need for this is a Nintendo 3DS family system that is homebrewed. Any system in the 3DS family will work with this. Other than that, let's get started. Now, first thing you'll need is the Nimbus Pretendo patcher. Download the CIA version from the link in the description and extract it to the SDMC folder in your Azahar user directory. Once that's done, in Azahar, go to File, Install CIA, and locate the Nimbus CIA file you extracted. It should install and appear in the games list. We'll come back to this one later. Now, unlike Citra, Azahar's way of dumping files for online play is very much easier than the last one. Go to File, Set up System Files, and then you should see a box that looks like this. Click the blue text to download the Azahar Arctic Setup tool, download the version of your choice, and extract that to your 3DS's SD card. On your 3DS, install the setup tool with FBI or run the tool from the homebrew launcher, depending on the version you downloaded. You should then be greeted to a screen that looks like this. Press the A button to start the server. You should then be presented with an IP address and port. Make sure your console is on the same network as your PC before you continue this. On your PC, type in the IP address and port, and then click OK. If you get an error that looks like this, make sure your region on Azahar is set to the region of your console, and then try again. After a few seconds, you should see the system settings update screen on the emulator. Press OK to update and wait a few minutes. Once that's done, do this process again, but this time select New 3DS Setup. Make sure your system is on for the whole process. Once that's complete, you can turn off your 3DS now. You should see the system apps appear in Azahar's interface. If you don't, you should be able to see them after we do this bit. One thing before we continue is to make sure the region on Azahar matches that of the firmware of the console, not the console itself. Azahar will most likely already figure this out, but to check, go to Emulation, Configure, System, and check the region. Make sure the region matches that of your console's firmware. While you're here, also check the box to enable required LLE modules for online features if it's not enabled already. Once you think everything is all good, go to File, Boot Home menu, then click your region. Then find the Nimbus app on the home menu and launch it. When prompted, click the Pretendo option, and then you'll be kicked back to the home menu. Once you're back in the menu, make a me first and then go to the friend list to see if the patch worked correctly. If it shows as online and gives you a friend code after you do the setup, congrats, you've successfully connected to Pretendo network on Azahar. You can now go online with whatever game Pretendo currently supports and match with console users and other emulator users as well. Obviously, functionality depends on whatever Pretendo currently supports, and whether or not you are a paid supporter for their service. Their Discord server and website contains information on what they currently support, what they don't support, and what's behind their tester paywall. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.